Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Jesus don't agree personal terms with Arsenal, and our monitoring spirit that they call Football Insider, and I don't drop this update. Even the Daily Mail post them, even the Mirror upload them. So many HITC, Court of Side, many reputable organizations don't post and say, see as they sub, say don't agree terms. And don't forget yesterday, now let's now say Arsenal they plan to double Jesus' wages, So all this one don't become positive indication. Say the guy himself truly he they interested in joining us. Even though the year say even Real Madrid say they won't enter the race, maybe Atletico Madrid say won't enter, but at least personal terms is a good indication. Say in agent Petinati no lie. Say that the battle Arsenal project again. So what you can remain and make Arsenal accept the transfer fee with Man City. If the fee accept that, then the guy go move. I know say the guy now for international level when they play for Brazil. Now only one match remain. I think it's the match against Japan because the match against Argentina was called off. So after they play the match against Japan, then Ingo they fully ready to the handle in personal future and everything. Well, now Arsenal and Man City hand the day now. Hope they watch. Bisuma myself don't give indication say make Arsenal beg consign because no say Bisuma post some kind of videos when play for AFCON, he can't post them for Instagram. So one of Arsenal fans can't repost that same thing because they talk say Bisuma and Yuri Tillman supposed to be Arsenal priority moving forward. Bisuma can't like the post, can't repost them. So that one can be like seeing a signs and indication like, hey, come and buy me please. Say Arsenal please, come and buy me. And this one don't come as a surprise because everybody knows that Bisuma gets soft spots when it comes to Arsenal because one of his friends, they for Arsenal, which is Pepe, even though Pepe self will still find square roots, but that does not stop Bisuma from upgrading his club from Brighton to an Arsenal side. Well, all this in a prayer would they pray say if Arsenal please sign somebody like Bisuma or somebody like Ruben Neves or somebody like Yuri Tillmans, add them to what to get again, at least add him to maybe Partey, Xhaka and El Neni. It will go far now, it will make sense. At least our midfield go dey solidified because you see next season Newcastle no come play. Newcastle they try to break into the top 6 at least to go Europa League. If they no fit even go top 4, they para Newcastle. William Saliba said don't come outside, come quash every rumor where people they talk about and let people know say as of now like this, I belong to Arsenal. I guess say I still have 2 years left. Say in they go back to Arsenal for pre-season and in never play for Arsenal fans before, never play for Arsenal Football Club. They now even play for these fans, but then see what they bring come, and this is the perfect opportunity with the occasion where we say you don't go learn work wella from Marseille. He don't develop himself to a very nice player and now he's coming back. Just like new signing, yeah. Saliba just like new signing. So it would be very good for Arsenal. We'll see what the guys will bring to the table. My prayer be say making flourish for Arsenal the same way we flourish for Marseille, but say they are not playing the same system again, so you got to adapt to make a certain system and style of play. Well, how all this one they go and never know what they watch. Arsenal don't slap £15.4 million on Bellerin, which is about 18 million euros. I know say Roma they look for Bellerin, say they won't sign. Roma need a right back, bad. They can't implement Niles, but they ideal for their right back situation. They will even carry around one Bisaka he gets for Manchester United, but they probably say that one price too high he gets. So that's why they are coming back for Bellerin. I know say Bellerin himself does they come back from his own loan stint from River Betis when he win Copa del Rey, and the guy play very well. That's why Mourinho they scamp and say this guy still bad now. We still use him for our Serie A for year old day. So well anyhow way they go, don't let them know how much it will be. Not too cost, 15.4. If they get the money, they come carry. This is making it be like that Xhaka deal. We say they go see yes, they come. Last they'll come jack back. See if you don't get money, clear us because Bellerin get 1 more year left on the contract. So no be person will go one keep here. If we keep a year, is going out on free next season again. So we need to recoup money because it's surplus of requirements for Arsenal. But Arteta don't get them for him plan. You get some people like Bellerin, people like Torreira, they are not in our plan. People like Pablo Mari, they know they are our plan. So that people will say we guys throw away them collect money. So it is what it is. Still on Torreira matter, Arsenal don't offer Torreira to Lazio. Say me Lazio can carry because Lazio don't they disturb well in the past. Simon Inzaghi will be the former Lazio coach. don't come to say one buy Torreira, so you know come work out, but Torreira can go loan for Fiorentina. Now the new coach now Maurizio Sarri said they really say okay, we still need this guy because now from this Serie A, and I asked myself still buy this guy. They can come as soon as they ain't making mark. You get so now that's why I think go back to Fiorentina and they used to the league. You know as the league they different from EPL, so that's why I can flourish of Fiorentina. But Fiorentina can they do, I don't think understand, they do themselves. You get on way they don't agree already, they can't reduce them. That's why we no agree for them. So now Lazio, I never know, but the problem with Lazio get me say Lazio say they no one buyer, say now on loan, the one on Asari say now loan. You get say we like to take the guy on loan, and the situation with Torreira did. Now the same situation where all those guys Bellerin they have 1 year left on his contract, so Arsenal cannot afford to send him out on loan. We ain't get 1 year. Send him out on loan. Let me say it's coming back a free. It's not coming back again now. I want the loan finished. Don't be free agents. So the best thing they can do is to collect money from him as he did like this now. So if Lazio will buy him, we never know last. But currently like this whole day now, Lazio is proposing a loan agreement to get. Arsenal wants to sell him outrightly. So anyhow way they go, either they sell him to Lazio, either they loan him to Lazio, let the guy go on free, or they agree the valuation way Fiorentina they offer them a new proposal. Say okay, see the amount we don't agree before, it's too much. Okay, see what I feel afford. Oh yeah, look what I take. Well, if you know that, it go. Look they watch. On my way from that, so our monitoring spiritual they call Ebola. Now come as I can let us know. Say Arsenal they interested in signing Benfica left back who they call Alex Grimaldo. And Benfica they talk say this guy they value him for £15 million. Now we see they go fit take sell him to Arsenal if Arsenal is really interested in buying him. But where the thing going complicated, one can say Arsenal supposed to buy Aaron Hickey to fill up this space. We no can understand what thing they go on with the deal. You get, is it that because they hear say Brentford said don't offer about 11.something million pounds for Aaron Hickey and the deal was rejected, even though Arsenal valuation of that guy they higher. You get, that's why the reason Arsenal they plan to offer a 20-something million pound bid, like 21 for Aaron Hickey, where they believe say it will go well. So if say truly that one will go well, what thing happen they find Alex Grimaldo for again? Now that is where me I don't understand. You see that Aaron Hickey deal is not going well. That's why you are looking elsewhere. Maybe you want to go for a cheaper player because Aaron Hickey is 19. Maybe you want to go for this guy we get more experience. How are all this is going to play? I never really know. Well, but watch. Arsenal don't miss out on Lukaku as in they on his way to Getafe on loan. You say Arsenal the reason say since they need a striker, they fit carry Lukaku on a loan with an obligation to buy. And Lukaku is a very good striker. The problem is say he know they get game time for Real Madrid, and it is for good reasons. You cannot bench a Benzema who is hot like fire. Any club Benzema play now, he go start to get. Benzema they hot to get. So that is why the guy can't there for Benjamin for a long time. He has a lot to prove. A lot to get. So if you not sign her like this, you'll be like Aubameyang when you go back, he had a lot to prove to people that he's not the finished goods. That was why he was now scoring. So this guy look at Jovic now. Every time I come on to let people know say, oh, when I did enter Frankfurt, I did score. You get now because I don't come in, I can't do under one kind of big senior man. We don't want shot. So that is why I can't be like this for me. So they talk say now our loss. Now we tell this point they talk say Arsenal will be the ideal place to carry this guy, but lo and behold, he's going to Getafe. Well, this is what it is. On my monetary spiritual, they call the mirror self. Don't come as I call it. Let us know. Say the way he be, say Serge Gnabry. If he still won't play for Bayern, forget say he get 1 year left on the contract. If he still won't play for them because he know be say he don't agree contract extension, but if he just wants to see out in contract, play the 1 year, then leave on a free next season. You get. So now we say it up. Though I don't say Bayern Munich no wants that one. That is why themselves they look for Sadio Mane now. Because if they don't want Sadio Mane now, that's a good thing that Sadio Mane go agree a deal in principle, extending contracts with Liverpool. Then next season it will be very hard for them to get him. That's why they won't get money now. Then maybe Gnabry will be forced to leave. They'll collect money for him because nobody likes to risk their player to leave on a free transfer. You get, because no will recoup any money for him, and that's the way they fear. We can leave now, make him come and get a replacement, or make him leave next summer. As in the living at Shola, you get. So now what's then the reason? Well, we never know how all this in the sub. Gnabry if still accept terms and conditions. No, see players they funny. If you tell you A, some players like politicians. If you tell you A and a B, they will go do. Well, we'll just keep our fingers crossed to watch as the thing unfold. Even Gazzetta dello Sport self don't come outside and they let us know say Dybala turned down Arsenal deal. because it already agreed terms and conditions with Inter Milan. That is what I was saying since. If you don't already accept terms from Inter, why you can't dey whine other clubs? Why can't go dey listen to other offers? Are you not being disrespectful? Okay, why you can't accept terms? That's what I was asking since. You dey listen to Arsenal, they listen to Manchester United, they listen to Tottenham Hotspur, and you have already agreed personal terms with Inter Milan. It is very, very rude and disrespectful. That's what I was saying. So they go say that they come back to his senses, because we don't go trust you now. If you can't accept our own personal terms, what is the guarantee say you go accept another person own again? So me, I don't know, say from the onset, say that Inter Milan they won't go play with his brother Lautaro Martinez, make them rule that place. And from all indications, Lukaku self they go join them. And this is one of the things where they hold Gianluca the Scamacca, because Scamacca self, in like Inter Milan projects, Inter Milan is going to be the new superpower of Syria. So he won't go join them again. And they check Lukaku statistics. Lukaku scored 60-something goals in 90-something matches in 2 seasons for Inter Milan. But look at the statistics for Chelsea. He's like a round peg in a square hole in Chelsea. That's why the guy won't go back to Syria, where he be the giant for the club where they make his name again. We make Chelsea can go buy and back again. So that's all it's going to be. So if Lukaku and Dybala are going back to Inter Milan, it will open the door for us to sign Gianluca the Scamacca, because Scamacca, the only three they block us from signing Scamacca with that Inter Milan. And if Inter carry Lukaku, carry Dybala, we will sign our Scamacca. La Repubblica, say one of our monitoring spirit, they let us know say he gets one new report. We don't come outside and we can explain why Arsenal pull out of Osimhen race. So they can talk say Arsenal they feel say the valuation of Osimhen is too high. You can't expect us to pay 85 million and above. £5 million. It is too much for an Osimhen. How many goals is he scoring? What is even the guarantee that he's going to be prolific in the league? Look at Lukaku as a case study. If Lukaku scores 60-something goals in 90-something matches over 2 seasons for Inter and flop in EPL, who is Osimhen? You get? So Arsenal valuation was about £58 million. So okay, now this valuation will make sense. You get? That is why they can't pull out of the race. So now Newcastle will the say won't enter the race because they get money. Newcastle no get money problem, so they can go sign and they can sign everybody they want to sign. You get? Whether I go work for them or whether I go backfire, that one at their own cup of rice. But our own could they move forward. Many people they throw names like Darwin Núñez. Darwin Núñez is not an ideal player that we can sign because nobody look for Champions League. If you go there, you will waste your time like Vlahovic. The guy no go come. Focus on people where you know say they know they look Champions League as anything. Focus on people like maybe Gabriel Jesus. Champions League know they high up in table. You get? That's why Arsenal didn't say okay we can get him. Let's go for realistic targets that are easy to poach and get. That is what we should be looking at. Not just throwing names all around the corner. Even Gianluca Scamacca said I was surprised. Saying they even give Arsenal listening ears, you get? Because normally they feel say maybe in go they find Champions League because in the Sassuolo, I know Sassuolo only play Champions League, so he's not used to it. And Champions League is the holy grail of footballing competition where every player wants to see themselves playing, you get? So whether Sassuolo self they play Europa, I'm not sure. But I know say himself will like all this kind of European competition to play. Well, anyhow it is they go at the end to the let you know. Even Tony Cascarino said don't come outside come talk say you see this Jesus go fit Arsenal plan because this terms and condition where they're saying agree it don't go viral, everybody don't they happy, some points on the come outside say wow the Arsenal are lucky to get him, the Syria winner, he has won everything, he has played Champions League, so what else is he looking for? You know, he's just looking for playing time so that he go cement in place for the Brazilian national team. Many talks there for him, and this is why we say World Cup day in the midst of the season. So if you can't be hoti as season start on the bus back, they go call you up for Brazil and select you as the person way they go play World Cup again. And if in the Manchester City, in chances would be very slim because the coach of Brazilian national team Fino select players based on past history. He select players based on current form. And when you are playing in a club that has Helen Haaland as the first choice striker, Julian Alvarez as second choice striker, you now as a Gabriel Jesus as the third choice, not going to see game time play. And then while I go there now. And another thing people they forget to say, Gabriel Jesus is versatile. They can play on the left flank, cut him with the right foot, boom, or he can play as a 9. So it will really help us in case we want to play a different formation. So maybe we go there, then the second choice striker, which means we can play him and play our main striker. Anyhow, I won't do and hold the watch. I know say Shola will sign striker for this window. Martinelli himself don come outside come dey post picture of him and Gabriel Jesus wey dem dey for Brazilian setup on international level. So he come dey put up speculation say whether him dey confirm am say Arsenal wan sign the guy, like two of them go come be teammates. We never really know why him post the thing for Instagram handle. So many people know say normal. Any small thing people would ask God, is this a sign? Let us know how we are going to look at this matter. Well, it is what it is. So if you know what yesterday should take the top left corner of your screen, we'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that we'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. Yesterday update and today update not be the same. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and get out.